In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove subtitles on your movies on Netflix. So if your movie or series is accompanied by subtitles and you'd like to go ahead and remove this, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and click or open the movie that has subtitles. And to remove them, head over to this option here or this icon, and by just hovering over it, you will see we have two columns here, one for audio and the other one for subtitles. To remove subtitles, currently, as you can see, I have checked English subtitles, which means English subtitles will be added throughout the whole of the movie. To turn this off, go ahead and choose off. Now, if you go back and play the movie, you can see we do not have those subtitles. So that's how you can remove subtitles on your movies in Netflix. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.